Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2020 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition runs well and comes equipped with an Akrapovic slip-on muffler and a front disc guard, and has been upgraded with a Hinson clutch cover and a hole shot device. With sleek lines and a lightweight frame, the SXF is a reliable race-ready dirt bike that punches above its weight class. Powered by a 450cc single-cylinder engine, the SXF Factory Edition puts 63 horsepower. It offers 11 inches of front suspension travel and 12 inches at the rear, which is complemented by a disc braking system. The SXF has a dry weight of 220 pounds and a 37-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.